Now, instead of rhombus, we'll be dealing with parallelogram. And there will be equilateral triangle and there are two equal sides. Let's talk about parallelogram first. When we have a parallelogram, again, just like I said, diagonally opposite angles will be equal. And because of the parallel lines, you need to know your C, F, Z rule. C rule means these two interior angles add up to 180. Z rule is what we know, the alternate angles. And F rule is the corresponding angles whereby these two angles will be equal. Okay, so now let's talk about it. Where is the equilateral triangle? So we have to figure out where's the equilateral triangle first, because that will tell us a lot of things, that all these angles here are 60 degrees. Okay, next, DC, okay, is equals to DE. So DC, DE, that makes triangle DCE an isosceles triangle. Now, I'm supposed to find ACD, which is here. I need to find angle DCE, which is possible because it's an isosceles triangle. So angle DCE is equals to 180 degree minus 138 degrees and divide by 2. That will give you 21 degrees. So if this is 21 degrees, and we know that AC, okay, ACE is equilateral triangle, which is 60 degrees. Can I find angle ACD? Yes, angle ACD is 60 degrees minus 21 degrees. That will give you 39. I see quite a number of 39. Well done. Okay. Next, CDA. Where's CDA? So CDA is here. Yeah, CDA is here. How can I find CDA? So to find CDA, right, you already know this angle. What was this angle that we found just now? This was 39 degrees. So it's a triangle. So if you can find this angle, which is here, okay, this angle, then you will be able to use the sum of, okay, angles in a triangle to find out, okay, ABC. So now, can we find angle CAD, which is here? How to find angle CAD? Angle CAD is equals to 60 degrees minus 30 degrees. That will give you 30 degrees. Look at the diagram again. This will be 30. So can I find this angle now? CDA, yes. To find angle CDA, that's why it's only 1 mark. 180 minus 30 minus 39. Okay, that will give you 111 degrees. That's why it's only 1 mark. Okay, next. EAB, where's EAB? EAB is this entire thing. So here, yeah, so I'm going to erase. I'm going to show you where's this whole entire thing. It is this whole thing in green. How to find this whole thing in green? So first thing is, okay, it is a parallelogram. So I'm going to mark this way, make this go away first. So this is equilateral triangle, which I'm going to use just one line to show. Now, I want to find the green angle here. So I already know that this whole thing here is 30, 30, which is 60. I just need to find this angle. How to find this angle? If you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, it's a parallelogram. So these two sides are parallel. If you draw a diagonal over, you see that there's a 0. So this will be also 39 degrees. And then to find that last angle, which is angle EAB, right? It's also 1 mark. How do I get that 1 mark? Okay, we will take 60 degrees plus 39 degrees. That will give you 99 degrees. That's how you get a 1 mark. Just one simple step. Okay, so far the angles question, you can see they test you on different shapes. Rhombus, parallelogram, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle.